Hey, Charles Moran here, 30-year broadcast professional. I'm talking to you from my home studios in Eagle Valley, Utah. And what I do is voiceovers, radio and TV commercials, internet business presentations. I can do YouTube videos, music, or voice behind those. And I work at one of the top radio stations in the country. You'll find out that radio station here in just a moment. And what I'll do is 60 seconds of dry voice. That's about 150 words a copy for only $5. If you want to add another 60 seconds, your project's a little longer, add $5. If you want music or sound effects, add another $5. And if you want your project shipped in under 24 hours with prior notification, I have priority status on my gig. You can find that on my page. Now, my friends call me Chasmo. That's my handle here on Fiverr, and I'd love to do your project. Here's a quick demo. Let's do some business together. I think all of our futures are so bright on Fiverr that we're going to need some shades. Remember, I'll holler for $5.
Isn't it hard enough to find qualified leads to finance? How many times have you been playing golf wondering why you're still slicing the ball? The answer is simple. Golf is a game of mechanics. Hello, this is not a sales call. Your household has been selected for a chance to win the latest state-of-the-art iPad. Thank you for calling SmokedOutPipes.com, the web's #1 online head shop. And did you hear the one about the small business owner who went from this to this in less than 30 days? So how did it happen? Meet Arthur. Want the heads up on what the latest social media chatter has been about? It's been about App People magazine that will soon hit Apple's newsstand for your iPad and provide a much-needed digital fix to all the app addicts that love everything about iOS apps. You're listening to Faith, Hope, and Love Songs on Live365.com. Channel Kim Carson now. Hey, you've reached the voicemail of Frank Boudreau. I am so sorry I missed your phone call. Now, if you're looking to sell a home, please leave your name and phone number. I'll have someone call you back as soon as possible. Thank you. And have an amazing day, okay? Toyota has done it again, improving on the best-selling sedan for 13 of the past 14 years. The 2012 Camry receives a full redesign for the entire lineup. What if you could find anyone, anywhere, even if they don't want to be found? In less than a minute, I'm going to show you the secret to find anyone. Regena Pure DR is a fantastic sulfate-free breakthrough hair loss shampoo and topical with clinically proven ingredients like ketoconazole for hair regrowth and maintenance. At the beautiful Akai restaurant, you can dine in elegance, fine wines, cheeses, atmosphere, affordable luxury, beautiful spas, and sub-zero $4 pizza every Friday night at Papa Murphy's. Join the take and bake revolution. You're listening to Read Today on KSL. Fiverr.